Hey, y'all, wake up, man. It's called the barber. So I'm getting a lot of DMs from people asking, how do I choose the company to invest in? First of all, you need to know something. You need to know the difference between trading and investing, right? When you're trading, that's a short-term play, right? You buying and selling stocks short-term, right? The same day. When you day trade, it's the same day. Investing is more of a long-term play. You putting your money in the company, you letting it sit for a long time. So what I do is I day trade. So when I day trade, I just need a company to be good for that day. The sentiment of the company has to be on the upside, meaning the direction that the graph is going in. Is it going up or down? Is it bullish or bearish? Bullish is when it's going up, bearish, obviously, when it's going down. So I need something that's only good for the day, right? So when you're day trading, you want to use penny stocks. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm making sure that the shares are at least $5 or less. I may go above sometimes, but for the most part, I keep it under $5. I'm not going to go above $10 a share. That way I can buy more shares. So I try to keep it under $5. So that's one of the criteria that I look for. I'm looking for high volume stocks that's hot for the day, stocks that people are interested in, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in my Robinhood app, open it, press the search button, scroll down to the top movers. And these are the top companies of the day that's moving fast in a direction, whether it's up or down, right? I skim through those stocks and I pick which ones, I go by the criteria, $5 or less. I look to see the top movers, whichever ones are $5 or less. I put them on my interesting stocks list. That way they sit at the top. I can scroll through them and I'm ready by 8 a.m. I got them picked out. They sitting on my watch list. I'm watching them move because some people are pre-market trading at 8 a.m. out here in Texas. The stock market opens at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So pre-market trading starts at 8. So you got people trading in the pre-market. It's important to watch what they do as well. I go into my StockTwits app as well. Now, when I find these companies on StockTwits or Robinhood, on StockTwits, they show the trending. It's the same as the top movers that's on Robinhood. It's not the exact same companies, but it's the same setup. They showing you the trending stocks. And sometimes you're going to see the same company on both lists, and that's a good sign. What I do is once I have that list of the companies that I'm interested in for the day, and I'm not looking for nothing for long term, they just need to be moving for the day. When I find out the ones that I'm looking at for the day, what I do is I go on Yahoo Finance and then I look at the float, and we're looking for low float stocks, and I'll explain that later. But we're looking for low float stocks. So we got morning movers, we got high volume, low float. That's going to determine if I'm going to invest in a company or not. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. And a lot of people want to know what stocks to invest in. You just got to follow that criteria. I can't tell you what stocks to invest in because I'm not a financial advisor, right? I'm just a person that do trading my way. If you follow that criteria, you can pick the companies that best suit you. See, you got to start investing and you got to get involved, in order to know what you're looking for. Because I trade low float stocks with high volume. That can mess with your emotions, man. If you're a trader, you know what I'm talking about. But you may not want to deal with that. You see what I'm saying? You got to pick the company that's best for you. I have my way of trading, and I'll explain later. Y'all got any questions, comments, please leave them below, man. Y'all like the video, comment, subscribe. And most importantly, wake y'all asses up.